Welcome back to WordPress Download Manager tutorials. In this tutorial, we're going to explore the templates section of WordPress Download Manager. You'll learn how to use link templates, page templates, email templates, and even how to customize them to fit your needs. Before we dive into the settings, make sure you've installed and activated the WordPress Download Manager Pro. Step 1. Open Templates. From Downloads, click on Templates. Inside the Templates section, you'll find four main parts: link templates, page templates, email templates, and custom templates. Each of these comes with ready-to-use templates that you can instantly apply to your downloads. You can also click on the Import Templates button to bring in additional link templates. You can preview any template by clicking the Preview button. This helps you see how the template will look before applying it. You can also copy the template ID and check the template file path if you need to use it in custom development. Step 2. Create a custom template. If you want full control, you can create a completely new link or page template from scratch. Just click on Create Page Link Template at the top right corner. Then you can use available template tags to build your custom layout. Step 3. Customize an existing template. Now let's customize an existing template to understand how it works. Let's open a package and check the download template. This package is using Showcase Page Template. Let's customize Showcase Page Template to add the download count data. Go to Downloads, click on Templates, then select Page Templates, and click Clone on the Showcase template. This creates a duplicate that we can safely modify. Inside the Edit screen, you'll see template variables in the right sidebar. Now give your template a meaningful, unique name. Now let's enhance this template by adding the download count. First, copy the existing file count div. Then, locate the download count template variable from the sidebar. Replace the file count section with the download count variable, and update the label text accordingly. This will now display download counts instead of file counts. Finally, click Save Template. Step 4. Apply the template. Now go back to the package settings. Under Page Template, select your newly created template. Preview the download page, and here it is. You can now see the download count appearing in your customized page template. This is how easily you can create and modify page and link templates. Step 5. Now let's move to email templates. WordPress Download Manager also provides ready-to-use email templates. You can customize the email content by clicking the Edit button. If you scroll down, you'll find the Email Settings section. Here you can choose email templates, set logo URL, adjust logo size, add banner and footer text, configure social icons, and preview changes in real time. Test emails. Once you are done with your customization, click Save Changes. And that's it. Your email templates are ready to use. Step 6. Now let's move to the Custom Template section. This feature allows you to create your own custom tags that you can later use inside page or link templates. To create a custom tag, click on the Add New Tag button. First, provide a unique name for your tag. Next, define the tag value. Here's an important note. You should only use text, HTML, CSS, or JavaScript in this field. No PHP code is allowed. Once your tag is ready, simply click Save Tag. Your custom tag is now created and ready to be used inside your page or link templates. That's how you can work with link, page, and email templates in WordPress Download Manager. You can create, customize, and manage templates easily to match your website's design and needs. Thanks for watching.